Here we have an old trailer, an old horse trailer that we're restoring, removing all the rust from. It's not that bad, but there's rust. It's from 1971, and so what we're going to do is use rust clear and clear off the rust. You can see right there, I've already gotten all the rust off those sections, and we'll do an update in a little while and show you how we've gotten all the rust off of this rusted old horse trailer, how we'll restore it and keep it, because it's a perfectly good trailer. Even this heavy rust, pitted rust, is going to be 100% rust free.